So you want to get some amazing shaders for Minecraft 121? Well, I have the solution. You have to download this program, Iris Shaders. It's a mod for Minecraft. After you click this button to download, you will have to install the program. Just make double click and wait till the screen appear. Then here you have to choose Iris plus Fabric. Press install and it will take like 5 seconds. Press yes. Okay, perfect. Now, what do we have to do next? You have to go to Minecraft shaders and pick some shaders that you like. I like, for example, let me see, I like Chocapic. Going to download it and click the 121 version of the download. Okay, once you have Chocapic or the shader pack you picked, you have to go to app data percent and go to Point Minecraft. Go to shader packs and drag the file into the folder. If you don't have this folder, you should have to create a new one like this and name it shader packs. I already have it, so I don't need to do this. Next, we have to go to Minecraft Launcher and we are going to find this fabric loader. Press play. Okay, now that we open Minecraft, we have to go to options, video settings, and go to shaders pack. Click here and you can see Chocapic is here. So I'm going to click it and select apply. Done. And then done. I'm going to go to my world. This is my world, so we are going to see those amazing shaders. So you can see I'm using these shaders and look amazing. Everything look amazing. I can disable the close like going to video settings and find the option to disable it. Okay, here. So apply, done, and look, amazing. This is the easiest way to get shaders for 121. So if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. So goodbye.